God, oh my God.
Really excited, man.
I'm not thrilled. Oh, and we're already, I was hoping they will cancel it because it's raining on us, but I guess not. I guess we're screwed no matter what.
I don't believe it's a coincidence we're here, man. You got wings?
What?
You got wings?
I don't have wings.
Oh, man.
Name's Angel, but I don't have
Angel,
wings.
you got wings, man?
But it's Angel with a J though. That's the problem. Angel.
Oh man, that's even more complicated.
Oh my God.
I think Angel with a J is like a ground unit. You're the ground unit. You're not the flying type. You're the ground unit. You're the eyes on the ground.
I better be on the ground right now because it's raining.
Oh no.
Oh my God, this is horrific. You like this?
Yeah, it's good training.
Good training for what?
We'll find out.
Oh my God. Oh, I hope the brakes work.
Close your mouth when we go down.
I'm gonna get some bugs.
I forgot I had shoes on me.
Well, my camera's getting wet. It is what it is at this point because it is officially pouring.
Happy tears.
Oh, you know what? Can we just go back down? Oh, shit.
My
I guess we are gonna go back down. I wasn't supposed to curse either. I'm sorry.
Well,
Shiitake. Oh my God. Oh, this is still just as bad. Oh, my ass is not on the seat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God. No, thank you. I want to go. Oh.
Jesus is king.
Oh.
Hallelujah.
Oh, he's definitely king, but Jesus.
Oh, Jesus.
All right.
I salute you.
No mas.
And John, you
survived it too?
Yes, we did.
All right, it's raining. We're going inside. Well, I'm going inside. I don't know about him.